In 1948, one of our nation's greatest social achievements was set in motion: healthcare. Instead of being restricted to those that could afford, it became the universal right of everyone. Young, old, rich and poor could turn with confidence to the newly formed National Health Service. Before this Tory government came to power, Our NHS had the highest approval ratings in its history. Not now. Over the last 6 years, the Tory government have systematically underfunded the service, implemented 2 massive top-down reorganisations, cut staff and services, and introduced an ocean of unnecessary bureaucracy, effectively drowning what was once a first-rate service. They have privatised and sold off billions of pounds worth of NHS services, right under our noses. Billions of pounds of cuts, thousands less nurses, longer queues, beds in corridors, operations cancelled, patients suffering, and all this is happening right now. The NHS is in critical condition.
We wanted to ensure that plans were there for the winter pressures. Record levels of funding are going into the National Health Service. I know it's difficult, I know it's frustrating, I know it's disappointing for people, and I apologise.
Mr. Speaker, the Prime Minister defends this crisis, saying nothing is perfect. Patients don't want perfection. They just want an NHS properly funded, properly staffed, without the indignity of 560,000 people waiting on a trolley in the last year, where operations aren't cancelled on this scale, where ambulances aren't backed up outside overcrowded hospitals. Patients don't just need a change of ministers today, they need a change of government.